1973 Ford Thunderbird here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking two-door hardtop. Los Angeles built car. And also a DSO in LA, so California car originally. And it definitely shows. Take a look at this chrome headlight surrounds. Believed to be original miles according to the previous owner. In the 64,000 range, I believe it was. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint code on this refers it to medium gold. Light gold interior, white vinyl roof. Take a look at how straight these panels are. Kind of put this in the survivor class. Lower rockers, wheel wells. Take a look at the still pictures at the underside, the floor pans, the rest of the underside of this car. Interior appears to be original also. Original dash, radio. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper, looking good. Very original trunk too. Check that out in the still pictures. Engine bay underneath the hood of this 429 V8 N-code car. Check the pics out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Look it up and down the driver's side, how straight this is. You get a few little spots like this. Has been touched up kind of on each side. Nothing real major, just some minor blemishes. Again, very original looking car. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior, which also appears to be original vinyl seats, door panels. You'll be able to see the info on the door tag in the still pictures. You can also check out the VIN pictures of both of those things. Free of rips, tears, holes in the seats. We're gonna go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run too. It has a nice little rumble, that 429.
Lake Crystal Walking area. The river should do.
Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, radio working. Original Philco radio, to be exact. Take a look at the dash. Very nice shape. Headliner. Intact and up also. And then once again, take a look at how nice of condition the seats are in. Slip around behind us. Listen to that 429, little rumble coming from it. All right, I'm going to slip up front. Let me pause this a second. Pop the hood. We'll check out that engine bay. Take a couple hands, get this flipped open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, the hood open. By the way, I forgot to show the odometer. You can check it out in the still pictures. 64,022. I believe to be original miles. Nothing points me in any other direction on this. Take a look at the engine. So with the tags, everything on it, very original looking underneath here. Lack of corrosion as far as the inner fenders. But again, an LA built and LA delivered car originally. It's a California car. So this one started its life at. And I think he's running smooth. That 429 4-barrel. Cool 70s classic. 1973 Ford Thunderbird two-door hardtop. Give us a call at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call in or email.